Is the TikTok working slow on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can fix the problem if your TikTok application is loading very slow on any iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and swipe down for the very top, and if you're using Wi-Fi, then switch it to a stable cellular data connection, or if you're still using the cellular data, then connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection and check out your issue. And also just go ahead and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off, and this will actually slide to restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you still have the problem, then here's the next process. Open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on general here and tap on iPhone stores and simply go and search for TikTok here. And once you get the TikTok, go ahead and tap on this button, tap Offload app, and lastly just go ahead and tap on Reinstall app. And this will reinstall the TikTok application on your iPhone, and most likely the problem is going to be solved. And after reinstalling the app, simply go and open up the App Store from your iPhone and go ahead and search for TikTok. And tap on the TikTok here, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your TikTok application to the latest version. And once you do that, I hope one of this process will fix your problem and the TikTok slow loading problem will be fixed. But if in any case, if you still have the problem, then there's the last two things that you guys can do. First, you just need to check out your storage. If you have less storage on your iPhone, then it might cause the loading slow issue on your TikTok application. So be sure to have enough storage on your iPhone. And also you can uninstall the TikTok application and reinstall from the App Store and see if that fixes your problem or not. Hope one of this process will fix your problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.